Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rain and today I'll bring you along with me to a colleague day in my life. This is the last semester of my student life. I just can't believe how fast the time flies. Sometimes I just think like, why 4 years in the university have gone faster than 3 years in senior high school? Like, do you agree with me? Please comment down below. Okay, anyway, today's Monday and actually I want to film this video on last Monday, which is the really first day of my last semester. But the first day, the first week is kind of a mess for me because I still have some classes that I can't register because they are full, so I have to wait until someone drops those classes so I can register. And now the second week I can finally register all the classes that I want to study. And because this is the last semester, I have already finished like most of the classes that I have to finish to be graduated. So most of the classes that I take this semester is kind of like optional classes, which means in this semester I can study whatever I want to study. For example, this morning class is singing for theater, and for this afternoon class is early modern art. Anyway, now it's 8:30 and my singing for theater class is about to start at 9, so I better go grab some breakfast first. This is what my breakfast looked like today. I quickly made a French toast and now let's just dig in. The class is about to start. I'm excited. I got changed for a little bit so I can go for comfortable. Okay guys, now the singing class is over. It was so fun and I really love this class. Actually, I am so excited for this class because I have been waiting to study this class since last year. Literally last year, not just last semester, because this class is open once a year. So yeah, but last year I can't register this class because it was full, but now this year it's my turn, so I was like, yay, finally. I really enjoy studying this class, not because only the subject itself, but the professor. She is so nice, so supportive and kind. I really love her. Anyway, it's now 12:15 and I still have another class in about an hour, so let's have some lunch first. Okay guys, so this is my lunch for today. My mom made pickle lettuce soup and I have it with some rice. It's kind of hard to describe Thai food in English because actually in Thai we have the specific name of this food, which is tom pakat dong, but when I have to say it in English I have to somehow describe what it's made from or something like that, so it's a little bit hard. Anyway, now please let me enjoy this food before my next class begins. The next class is about to start. Yay! 5 minutes break and I'm feeling a little hungry again, so I grabbed some fruits. I've got some apple and some dragon fruit. This dragon fruit I've got from the last time that I went to the fruit market, and I did film that day. So if you want to see me going to buy some fruits and vegetable, you can click up here, or maybe here, but I think it's here to watch it. And now let's me enjoy this fruit and continue with my lesson. It's just 5 minutes break. It's a short time, isn't it? There we go. The class is over. Okay guys, I have already finished all my classes today, and I have been sitting here for quite a while, so I think it's time to do some exercise to like move my body for a little bit. Somehow I love wearing like super comfy outfit for the exercise, so I'm ready now. Okay guys, I have already finished my exercise. I just walk, as you guys can see, because I don't like running, especially on the treadmill. I don't know why. Anyway, I have already ordered some sushi for my dinner, and I can't wait to have the dinner because I'm so hungry. And after that, I don't know, just wait and see. And this is my dinner. This one is for my brother. Looks yum. Okay guys, I have already finished my dinner. It was so great. I mean, you can't go wrong with sushi. Anyway, now I have already taken a shower, as you could see from my outfit, but I'm not going to sleep yet because I still have some work to do. So yeah, I'm going to do some work and maybe do some editing. But before all of that, I'm going to go into the kitchen to find something to eat first. Some snack maybe, or maybe some drink. Let's go. I think I'll go with this chocolate bomb. My friends gave me as a Christmas gift, so I think now it's time to enjoy. Let's put it in the cup first. Last minute looking at how beautiful this chocolate bomb is. Okay guys, now I'm ready. I mean, hot chocolate in my hand, that's all I want for today. Look at this marshmallow. I mean, it looks so good. Thanks for my friends for the kind gift. It's so good. In case you don't know, I have sweet tooth. Okay, my day is made, absolutely. I mean, I love chocolate. Rain, just back to work. Do some work, okay? Please let me do some work first, and see you guys in a bit. And this is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Now I'm about to do some to-do lists before I go to bed. I mean, like I am on my bed, but before I go to sleep. Yeah, so bye bye, see you soon.